What is good, Tesla family? It's your boy Ray J back with another video, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the one and only Tesla stock and why I'm super bullish for the near term and long term futures. And I'm also going to talk about the man, the myth, the legend, Elon Musk. I'm going to talk about his latest moves that just came out that make me super bullish and excited for Tesla. I'm also going to talk about what he put on his Twitter page that makes me even more bullish, guys. We have some huge announcements that just came out from Elon Musk that make me even more bullish, guys. And Elon Musk's Twitter page is very important because he does announce some very big things that could affect the future of this company for years and years to come. Now, before I talk about that, I'm also going to talk about the overall stock market, some pieces of news that are coming out that could affect it, and other pieces of news affecting Tesla as well. Now, before I do any of that, though, I do have to mention some very important things. First off, this is not financial advice, guys. This is all for entertainment purposes only. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. And not only benefits me, but benefits the entire Tesla community as a whole. And the last thing is, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below and in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo, you're not only going to qualify for an iPhone 13 Pro giveaway, meaning you may win an iPhone 13 Pro, but you're also going to get up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500. So with that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So Tesla's looking really, really good right now. It's up over 5.76% for the day. Let's go, guys. It's looking very strong and bullish right now. And this does look like a confirmation that we're about to go to the moon, guys. Tesla's about to explode. But before I talk about that, we have to talk about something very important, something else that affects the share price of Tesla. And that in turn would be the overall market. What is the overall market doing and how may this affect Tesla is what we need to answer. So right now the market is looking pretty good. The S&P 500 was up over 0.62% for the day, and it looks very, very bullish in my opinion. Now, why am I saying that? Well, look at this right over here. A couple of days ago, the S&P crashed like crazy down to about $450, but then it looks like we hit full on capitulation mode as we are now not just recovering, but on the verge of hitting all-time highs again, looking very strong. That's very significant, especially after these pieces of news that just came out. It was reported by Financial Times that the US financial conditions remain easy even as the Fed pulls back on stimulus. Once again, the Fed is tapering on the bond purchasing, and this is leading to less, stimulus that's being distributed, but that's not hurting the market, guys. The market looks stronger than ever before, in my opinion, and I'm very, very excited for what's about to play out. Look at the fear and greed index. We were extremely fearful a couple of weeks ago. Then last week we were on the fearful side, and a couple of days ago we were at a score of 37, looking pretty fearful. Now we're at 42 and getting closer to the greedy side. That's a very, very good sign in my opinion, guys. The market is getting ready for some big moves, and it does look set for a potential Santa rally. Now, I can't guarantee that, guys. I can't guarantee anything in the stock market because nothing in the market is guaranteed. But what I can tell you is that it does not look like there's any crazy pieces of news that's about to come out that could cause the market to crash or have a big reversal. It looks very bullish, and it does seem very, very likely that we're going to continue on that trend. So how is that going to affect Tesla? It looks like Tesla is going to continue running up as well, and it looks very, very bullish, not just based off the market, but also based off many technical trends. So we did hit that low point after Elon Musk sold a lot of shares, hitting about $886. Then we ran up all the way up to about $1,072 within the last couple of days, looking very bullish. Now, how do we know this is going to continue? Well, let's first talk about the share price today and why I'm still very bullish. We dropped to about, what is that, $997 a share. Then we ran up to about 1,072, and we closed at about $1,067. Once again, up over 5.76% for the day, looking really, really good. Now let's look at some Bolingers before I talk about why I'm super bullish. As you guys can see, there wasn't high volatility today. We were just touching the upper band, and we had a pretty strong closing as well. It was particularly strong, meaning that Tesla is showing lots of signs of strength, and it does look like this upward trend is going to continue. Now, why do I say it's going to continue? Well, we have to look at other indicators too. So let's look at the 3-month chart real quick and then talk about why I'm super, super bullish. So if you guys look at every single one of these technical indicators, we can see something very, very interesting. Now, if you look at the exponential moving averages, you guys can see right now, it looks really, really good in my opinion. It's not showing. Hold on one second. I think I can get this to show. There we go. So check this out right here. The exponential moving averages were basically showing that within the last couple of days, they're showing this upward trend. But Tesla's currently right above them. You guys can see the share price is above every single one of these exponential moving averages over the 5-day, the 10-day, the 20-day, the 50-day, or the 120-day. It shows that we're showing this upward trend that's performing and looks really, really good in my opinion. That's a bullish indicator that we're going to continue on this upward trend, and it does show signs of a bullish reversal. On top of that, the RSI is showing 70.70. Once again, another bullish indicator because Tesla is very strong, just as the MACD is showing. The MACD basically crossed with the 9-day moving average a couple of days ago, right? And we're showing this very bullish looking upward trend. A lot of momentum is being built up, which means that it's very probable that we're going to continue on this upward trend as the CCI is showing the exact same thing. So what does this mean for Tesla? Why am I so bullish? Well, all the indicators are showing that and the market looks like it's ready to allow that. So the question is, where are we going to go? Well, look at this. I'm going to use a Fibonacci retracement chart real quick just to show you guys the different levels of support and resistance. And as you guys can see right over here, Tesla looks very good. We did have a little bit of resistance at around the $1,065 range, which is why we kind of fluctuated once we hit that. But right now, the next key level of resistance would be the $1,100 range. And I do think we're going to test that very soon. It does look like we're going to test that by next week, perhaps in early next week. So what I think is going to play out, guys, is when Monday comes, we're probably going to run up. We're probably going to test it, maybe close a little bit below it at around 1090, somewhere within that range. And then after that, probably by Wednesday or Thursday, we may even break past it and hit the low 1100 levels or even go as high as 1150. So I'm super bullish, guys. I do see 1100 as a key level that we should be breaking quite soon. And I'm very bullish. Now, I'm not just bullish based off these indicators. I'm also bullish based off what Elon Musk said as well. Now, before I show that, let me just quickly talk about the news, and then I'm going to talk about Elon Musk, what he just said, and why I'm super bullish. So, one key thing to remember is Reuters reported that Tesla is going to stomp games on infotainment screens in moving cars. Now, Tesla was obviously under a lot of scrutiny because of the fact that they were allowing people to play games while the cars were moving, but they are now going to stop that. I'm just putting it out there. And obviously, the media tends to lead to a lot of FUD because of this. They tend to, exaggerate and attack Tesla, but that's not the case anymore. They can't attack Tesla anymore because they are stopping the whole gaming situation. That's a very good move in my eyes, and I'm very excited to see what else is going to come out for this company because they are making good moves left and right, especially after what Electrek just reported. They reported that Tesla applies to install supercharger stations in Texas with CCS connectors. Once again, a bullish piece of news. Why am I saying that? Because of the fact that this would be the first in the US, guys. They're applying to install supercharger stations in Texas. This means that Tesla is not just expanding across the world, guys. They're also exploding in the United States as the EV revolution is just starting. They're not just exploding in California, they're now getting bigger and bigger and bigger in Texas. And I just can't wait till they start expanding to other states. I can't wait until they open their supercharger networks all over the United States, whether it's in like Washington or in Florida or in Wisconsin. I just think it's going to be very cool, and we're just in the beginning. So imagine what's going to happen in 5 years, in 10 years. We're going to see them all over the place. So with that out of the way, guys, let's talk about Elon Musk and what on earth has been going on. So I believe it was just yesterday, but it's officially reported that he offloaded more Tesla shares for $15.4 billion in total. So, based off what Market Insiders is saying, in total, he sold about $15.4 billion worth of Tesla shares. And he did say that there's still some more chunks to go, but he's almost done, guys. A few $1 billion left of selling, and he's straight up done. It's very awesome, in my opinion. And we're coming to the end of this selling spree. Now, I do want to report that, look, Elon Musk did clarify that he's almost done, okay? There's still a little bit more selling to do, but that's not affecting Tesla's share price whatsoever. In fact, it's still not stopping us from running. It does look like we're going to have a Santa rally, and I'm very excited about that. Now, another big piece of news from Elon Musk are the big things that he has been reporting on his Twitter page that make me even more excited. First off, he stated this right here. He stated that lots of Tesla cars to deliver before the year ends. Your support in taking delivery is much appreciated. It says thanks also to the Tesla team for working so hard during the holidays. Once again, that's very awesome news in my opinion. And I want to let you guys know that they're working very hard to explode when it comes to these deliveries. They're going to crush their big earnings reports in my opinions. And I think their revenue is going to crush it. We're going to see a ton of deliveries, and they may be fighting to hit 1 million deliveries in a year very, very soon. Imagine that, 1 million deliveries in a year. Now, the other big updates from Elon Musk is this right over here. He stated this right here. So basically, after Elon Musk stated that the Tesla holiday software release being tested with internal owners today, broader rollout starts tomorrow evening. Look at this right here. This person named Jeff with the heart and this peace sign stated full self-driving beta 10.8 tomorrow too. And Elon Musk responded this right here. He said, yes, but if we find unexpected bugs, might release a little bit later by like the 24th. Once again, a breaking piece of news, guys. The full self-driving beta 10.8 is coming out very soon, which means that they're improving the full self-driving technology, the autopilot day in and day out. He did tweet a little bit about that, but I'm not going to show that for the point of making this concise. Then we have another big thing that he stated. He basically stated this right here, guys. I think this is going to be awesome. Whole Mars stated that at Elon Musk, European autopilot users complain to me every day about incorrect speed limits and not getting to the correct speed before you cross the sign. No, the team is extremely busy, but it would be great if you would see what's going on, basically. And Elon Musk responded with this. We're aiming for a significant improvement for owners outside the US around March, depending on regulatory approvals. So remember, guys, Tesla's improving the full self-driving technology in Europe. Think about how huge that's going to be when they're all over Europe as well. I think that's very awesome. I can't wait to see when they're in the UK, when they're in France, and when they're ready to see actual autonomous driving. I think it's going to be awesome. And Elon Musk is stating that. He also stated this right over here. This has to do with Tesla's premium connectivity. And they basically, someone told him, this person named Zach, they said, hey, Elon Musk, can we get a yearly plan for premium connectivity? Something like offering a plan at $99 a year versus $9.99 a month. Would that be a great addition? And Elon Musk responded right over here. He said, good idea. So my point is Tesla are now doing whatever they can to improve premium connectivity, give better live traffic visualization, music, video streaming, and all those big things. And they're trying to provide better prices, guys. That's very cool in my opinion. But the big thing in my opinion is this right here. Tesla is still working hard to crush their deliveries. We're going to see them working very hard to improve their deliveries, which is now looking more enticing in the eyes of investors, especially institutionalized investors. So it does look like a lot of whales may be, loading the boat very soon as well. And institutions may continue to keep on loading the boat because their delivery numbers are going to be better because of what Elon Musk just stated, that they're trying to improve them as much as they can. And that makes me very, very excited. So I do see us hitting the 1100s very soon. And I can't wait to see what Tesla's about to do, guys. I'm very, very excited and I can't wait. So with that said, guys, thank you so much for listening. This is the last trading day of the week. I may release a video tomorrow as well. And at the end of the day, I'm very bullish. I can't wait for what's going to play out. And I just want to say, I wish you all the best. Please have a very Merry Christmas and I'll see you in the next video. Tesla to the moon and peace out.